Hey guys, so it is now December and Christmas is coming up soon, so yay! Woo-hoo. But my mom is getting her room redone right after Christmas, which means our room will be kind of redone too. Like maybe we're gonna be somewhere else. So yeah, I think she's doing it like white and I don't know. But I wanted to show you my outfit. Just this dress, this dress. And then my hair is like this in the front. And then if you look up, it looks like that. And then the back is a braid like that. And then like that. And I really like my hair today. So that's that. So, I think Bree's gonna make a video after me, like, yeah, we're kind of matching, except, like, she, like, just woke up, and she looks like a mess, and she's, like, wearing her pajamas, but we're both turquoise-ish. I'll show you. Hold on. Bree, come here. Why? Just come. Oh my gosh, a fun video. Ah! Oh my gosh, Bree, just show them what you look like. No, that's weird. No. Okay, fine, whatever. Move. Okay, I look like this. Get out of the way. I didn't mean it like that. Ugh. There. Sorry, guys. She always does that. It's so annoying sometimes. So I'm thinking about painting my toenails today. I think I'm going to. So yeah. I'll come back whenever I've done them if I have. So for now, Bree will probably be vlogging. So bye.